everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing the look that I'm wearing right now. As we all know, St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, so I really wanted to do a look that was like a green eyeshadow. I've worn a green lip, but I don't actually have a green lipstick, but if you want to do that for that day, I definitely would suggest that if you really want to go all out. If this look is not wearable for everyone, but I feel like St. Patrick's Day would be like a good day to actually try and step out of your comfort zone and wear a green eyeshadow. So I hope you guys really like the video and really like this look. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll be posting pictures on this look on there. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera and also one eye. So the first thing I'm going to take is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. And I'm going to apply that with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette. And the first shade I'm taking is this shade right here. It's called Daddy. And I'm just going to be taking that on my e.l.f. 205 brush. Okay, the next shade I'm taking is this lighter green. It's called Social Blade. And I'm going to take that on my Royal Langnickel Moda Pro Crease brush. Okay, now I'm going to just go back into that other brush and repack the dark green shade. And then just go back with the same brush and blend it out again. Okay, now just with a cotton swab and my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, I'm just going to clean up where I'm going to do my cut crease. And this is just so that way you don't put concealer on top of shadow, because then it gets muddy and then the concealer gets the color of the shadow. So this is just to prevent that. So that way if you're putting whatever kind of shade you're putting on top, it doesn't mess with that either. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that same concealer, my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. And I'm going to just take the Sony Cash Trick number 110 brush and I'm going to just start doing the cut crease. Okay, once I've cut my crease, I'm going to take my Morphe M124 brush. And I'm going to just use this shade right here, it's called Walk. And pack that all over the lid. Going back into the shade Daddy, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 205 brush again. And I'm just going to blend out this harsh line right here. Okay, now to do the dots along where I cut my crease, I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. And I'm going to be dotting that with my Real Technique Silicone Liner brush. Okay, so I'm going to just let these dots dry and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyeliner. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Proline Felt Tip Eyeliner in black. So next we're going to do our face and then we'll come back to our eyes. So for my face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. For foundation, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundations in Amber, Beige, and Cocoa. And I'm going to just use my Real Techniques Blend and Blur foundation brush. So I've already put it on the brush, so I'm going to just start dotting this on my face. And then just start blending it in. I really love this brush for foundation. I don't know if any of you have tried it, but if you haven't, I would definitely recommend it. It's like super soft and it's so easy to just like rub in the foundation. I really do love this one because I feel like it's way faster to just like rub it in rather than like bouncing something on your face forever. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Sand. And I'm just going to blend it the same with my Real Technique sponge. Okay, to set my face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD Powder in Clear and just the big powder brush, and I'm just going to set my whole face. Okay, now to finish on my eyes, I'm going to use my Luxie 221T brush, and I'm just going to go back into the shade Daddy, and I'm going to just start running this underneath my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Tarte Tarteist mascara and just start coating the top and bottom lashes. Okay, to contour my face, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette in Caramel Toffee and my e.l.f. angled blush brush. For blush, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Primer and Infused blush in Always Rosy and my Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, to highlight my face, I'm gonna use this shade in the palette called Face, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. blending brush. Okay, now using that same highlight, I'm gonna use the Crown Pro C513 and I'm gonna just highlight underneath my brow and my inner corner. Okay, for my lips, I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Thick as Thieves. Okay, now to finish off this look, I'm gonna use my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked how the look came out. I really hope you guys wear it on St. Patrick's Day. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. That way you get a notification every time that I post. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye!